Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today we are going to discuss about veto power of President versus Governor. There are four types of veto powers. They are absolute veto, that is withholding of assent to a bill passed by the legislature. Next, qualified veto, which can be overridden by the legislature with a higher majority. Next, suspensive veto, which can be overridden by legislature with ordinary majority. And finally, pocket veto, that is taking no action on the bill passed by the legislature. Now, let us discuss about the veto powers of president and governor in different scenarios. In case of ordinary bills, President of India has three options. He may give assent to the bill and then the bill becomes an act. Next, he may withhold his assent to the bill, then the bill does not become an act. And finally, he may return the bill for reconsideration of houses. If the bill is passed by both the houses again with or without amendments and presented to the president for his assent, he must give his assent. Thus, the president enjoys only a suspensive veto. Next, coming to the governor. He has also the same three options, that is giving assent, withholding assent and returning the bill for reconsideration. Here also, if the bill is passed by the houses or houses again with or without amendments, the governor must give his assent. Here, the one additional option governor has is he may reserve the bill for consideration of president. Next, when a state bill is reserved by the governor for the consideration of president, the president has three alternatives. That is giving assent, withholding assent and returning the bill for reconsideration. Here, the important point to be noted is if the bill is passed by the houses again with or without amendments and presented to the president is not bound to give his assent to the bill. That is, he has the option of giving his assent or withholding his assent. Also, we should remember that when the governor reserves a bill for the consideration of president, he will not have any further role in the enactment of this bill. That is, if the president gives his assent to the bill, it becomes an act. No need of assent of governor is required. Next, money bills in case of president. When a money bill is presented to the president, he has two alternatives. He may give his assent or he may withhold his assent. But he cannot return the money bill for reconsideration of parliament. Normally, the president gives his assent to the money bill because it is introduced in the parliament with his prior permission. Also, when money bill is reserved by the governor for consideration of president, he has the same two alternatives. That is, he may give his assent to the bill or he may withhold his assent to the bill, but he cannot return that money bill for reconsideration of state legislature. Also, note that the governor cannot return a money bill for reconsideration of state legislature. He may either give the assent or withhold his assent, but cannot return it for reconsideration. Also, when a money bill is reserved for president for consideration, governor will have no further role in its enactment. Now let us discuss a question based on this. Which of the following veto powers are available to President of India? Absolute veto, pocket veto, suspensive veto and qualified veto. The answer is A, 1, 2 and 3 because qualified veto is not there in case of Indian president while it is possessed by American president. So the answer is A, 1, 2 and 3 only. Thank you.